Hello, this is Ambuj. My registration number is 17 and today I'm going to do experiment number 1 in compiler. So let's go. So the aim of our experiment is to write a program to perform token separation for a given subset of language, and the program should count the token in a given source program as well. So a little about the lexical analysis. So lexical analysis is the first step in the compiler. So in the first step, what it does is it separates whatever input we give into tokens. As you can see, it's written here into various tokens. After after which it is processed and it is checked for syntax and so far and so forth as the compiler wishes. So first of all, the first step which we are trying to stimulate here using Java is to separate all the words into tokens like keywords, operators, punctuations, constants, etc. So we are trying to imitate the lexical analyzer of a compiler. For that, we have written this code over here. So as you can see, we have first declared a string x. After that, we have declared a string array v. After that, we have initialized a string array c, integer array, integer array c and an integer I. After which we have initialized a array in a string array, and we have made an object of it as well of size 30 here is as well. Here it has just been initialized, here declared, sorry, here it just has been declared, not initialized. After which we'll ask the user to enter the string, and now after this is the scanner class. So we have made an object of the scanner class. As everyone knows already that scanner class is used to take object input from the user. So in this for loop, we are going to take whatever input has been given by the user into x, which is a string, as you can see, which has been declared earlier. Now I want to tell you, or I want to show you that in this for loop, this will run till 5. So 5 consecutive lines, because next line operator is used, next line command or method is used. This will take an input of 5 lines, which we can change here as 3 or 4 according to our need or as it suits to us. Okay, so the next thing which we are gonna do is we're gonna check each lexeme of the input of the user. For example, if hash comes, so now this is a compare to operator, and we'll check whether it's there or not. If it's there, then we'll go to this else statement and add it into an array, that is string array. If it's not there, it will just break from this for loop and we'll move on, and it will run in all the 3 lines to check whether hash is there or not. And if it's there, it will add it into this string array. Now we'll go into this for loop and you can check that this is running 0 and 1, that is 2 times, and it will check the length of this v string array. Now the next nested for loop over here is this one. So the length of the string, till the length of the string, this for loop is gonna run, and is gonna compare to method is used, and in each line it will check whether int is there or float is there or double is there. If it is there, then it will print keyword, because this all these three are the keywords. Okay, and if it is not a keyword, if it is for example a, then it will print it's a id1. If it is b, then it's id2. If it is c, this is id3. And if it is d, it is id4. So mind you, we are trying to imitate the compiler's lexical analyzer over here. So we have hard coded these. So else if If it is equals to, then equals to, plus, into, subtraction, all these operators will be printed under operator. And if it is not so, if it is comma or semicolon, it will be printed under punctuation. So this code will run for every line. Like for example, every string which has been given, it will run for that. So first aim of the program is finished, that is to write a program to perform token separation for a given subset of a language. Now the next part is to check or to count the tokens in a given source program. For that we have written a simple code over here. We have initialized count as 0. We have just made a for loop which will run and increment count till till the string which we have taken as input ends, and it will add into this count variable now, and it will print as it is. So let's run this code for better understanding. So as you can see, it is asking me to enter a string as informed by me earlier. Now we are going to add an line. So we have added some A, B, C and D as our input, as you can see. And next we are going to do is A is equals to B plus C into D. So as it's gonna take 3 lines, after third line it terminated, and whatever has been given as punctuation, ID, or whatever has been given as input has been separated into lexemes and number of tokens has been counted. So as you saw this, thank you very much for watching.